I came all the way from St. Martin because it's our 70th Carnaval.
Carnaval celebration.
Right, celebration down here. And I was part of it from the beginning. Let's say like 45, almost 47 years ago.
Okay.
That's when we started all about the Jouvert in San Nicolas. And I was part of that, which I'm the real guy that started it, along with Bito, my colleague here.
Yeah.
So we all did it together. So it started like one of us pick up a bucket, you know, the buckets,
Yeah.
and start ponging on it. And from there, the other one said, but you cannot pong. And the other one said to him, you do it, I can do it better, you know, like, and they start to discuss. And
Challenge.
yeah. And then I said, hey, ho, let's all do it together. And then it started from there, you know. That's how it begun, from 45, 47 years back.
This Friday here, what happened is all the years I was doing it, the police was stopping us because we couldn't get a permit to do it, but we did it still. But this time, I approached Mr. Derek van Ameren from since last year, the day before Big People Carnaval, and he told me, okay, he's going to let me get the chance to do it in the village with a permit, a stamp, because all I asked him for was a pajama jump up, starting from the above Dove, go up St. Martin Street, come across the basketball court, Banner Street, and come back in. And
What time? What time?
He did it.
Start about 10 o'clock in the
Yes,
evening.
but we're not going to take no route because we're not going outside. We just want to jump an hour or two in the village,
Okay.
going through the alleys like of it.
Jouvert Morning tá give back na e pueblo de San Nicolas e pensei nos ancestor nang a começar que essa aqui chiquito tem village for free. This was mané dos nang que explica. Então tá algo que bem de coração, algo bem de nos talento interno. Nós começa jam e durante o jam a começa a crescer algo, pero sempre nós nos mes tem struggle com polícia ou com coisas que não mestra com não por a cana, mas não estava a querer, passou of maneira estava a antes. Isso é bem que Jouvert Morning tá tem sua banda nang com a manter durante a ano, pero sempre requer chiquito e não engrandecer. Tem um momento que se me mag die chama Jason Brown, bem com certo requisito nang pa banda nang por llegar na premiação, na mister participar den Jouvert Morning. E assim Jason Brown junto com o Smack a logra de ter ano que nós chega hasta 10 banda den Jouvert Morning. E sei porta barra tiki mais agora que aqui, pero a quantidade de gente, a quantidade de visitantes nang que bem nos Jouvert Morning awe tá imenso. Tá imenso, me po asa bisa eta nos parada carnavalesco mais grande da temporada de carnaval com a visitante e com a participante.